Hi guys, welcome to another interesting video. In this video I'm going to install Git and I'm going to use brew commands. If brew is not installed, you can watch this video. The link is in the description. So let's start. First of all, open your Google browser and search brew git install. Open the first link. Here is the git page and copy this command brew install git and open your terminal. Just paste your command here. It will take time. It will take some time. Alright, the process is completed and now we can test by git version. So here we can see our git version. That means git is successfully installed in our system. Right, that's all for this video. So if you want to see the similar videos, you can subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for the notification.